Hello everyone, how y'all doing? Welcome to Miss Brenda Dee's place. Today we're sharing a holiday favorite, a loaded baked potato casserole, y'all. So stay tuned. I'm going to show y'all just how I make it. My potatoes, I have placed them in a pot and covered them with cool water. I let them boil for like 25 to 30 minutes or until my fork goes straight through them. Now is the time to take them out of the hot water and let them cool. Here I'm removing the skin, or you can leave them on if you prefer. Now I have finished removing the skin, and so now I'm going to cut them up. And you can cut these up in any way, form, or fashion. I love saying that. Now I'm all finished with my potatoes, and now we're going to put this potato casserole together. Here I'm adding some butter. I'm going to chop this in some small pieces so it can melt faster. I'm mixing this around a little bit so that our butter can begin to melt. Now we're adding our cream cheese. Letting y'all know I'm going to use this entire package of cream cheese because I am doubling my recipe. Now we're adding our sour cream. And we're going to mix this up a little bit. Now I am frying up my bacon. You can cook this bacon as hard as you like or as soft as you like. Here I'm seasoning up my potatoes. I'm adding some garlic powder, some salt, and some black pepper. And you can add seasoning salt if you prefer. Here I'm adding some regular jug milk. You can add the whole milk, 2%, or you can add evaporated or heavy cream. It's up to you. It's tasting time. It's time for you to taste your mixture to make sure it has enough salt and black pepper or seasoning in it. Now we're adding our crumbled bacon and our chopped green onion bottoms. If you're not an onion lover, you can always add onion powder instead of the onions. And now we're going to give this a stir. Here I'm spraying down my 9x13 baking dish with some cooking spray. Like I say, I'm using this big dish because I doubled my recipe. Now this step is up to you. I decided to add some of my cheese inside my casserole. But if you just want it on top, you can use it just on top. Now I'm adding my potato mixture to my casserole dish. And we're going to spread this around evenly. And we're going to top it with some more cheese. I'm going to place this in a 350-degree oven for 25 minutes, and I'm going to be back. Okay, y'all, I have let my casserole bake, and I'm going to let this sit for like 10 to 15 minutes. And then I'm going to be back with the final result. Okay, y'all, here it is. our loaded baked potato casserole. Here I decided to add a few chives to mine just to make the casserole look pretty. Plus they are so delicious. Just showing y'all what we're having for our Sunday dinner. We have some cabbage and some collard mixed together, and we also have some corn on the cob, some tuna casserole, meatloaf, and some rolls and some hot water cornbread. What I'm doing now, we're going to plate up some of our loaded baked potato casserole. This will go good, y'all, with your Thanksgiving meal as a side dish, and my family really enjoyed this baked potato casserole. And I hope y'all try this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get my new and upcoming videos. And to all my new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. So don't forget, we got more videos coming up, more holiday videos coming up. And so I'm just showing y'all these collard greens and cabbage. Y'all, I have a recipe coming right after this one showing how I made these cabbage and collard greens. Okay, y'all. Like always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Okay, y'all, I got my grandkids. I know y'all gonna wanna, let me show y'all their food. I want y'all to taste the cabbage and the collard greens. How do it taste?
Good, really good. That's good.
Did y'all like them? Okay, and they also have some, I want y'all to taste the potato casserole.
That's really great.
Okay, y'all. I just wanted to share with y'all what they thought about their food. They also have some, like I said, some tuna casserole, some corn on the cob, and a roll, and they also have some meatloaf. Okay, y'all. Well, we're gonna close. Let them go ahead and finish eating, and we're gonna say what?
Have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now.
All right. Bye-bye for now. Uh-oh. Yeah, we got two more that came in from the table to show their food as well. Mr. Jackson, he's almost finished. We got a little Hazley here. She want to show her food, y'all. Okay, y'all. I'm going to let them finish. Do you like it? Do you like your food? Mm-hmm. You like your food, Tiny? You like your food, Jackson? Yeah. Okay, he said he did.
Welcome to MsBrendaDee's place. You're always welcome to MsBrendaDee's place.